Oh.
Hi everyone, Richard here. Okay, I've got a problem because I've been buying online from Lazada for some time, but I think this problem you guys also face, that there are scammers selling products online, and they open up shops to put in all kind of SKU in their shop, but it's not a legit shop. They have all kinds of products from facial up to even drones. What happened is I just bought a drone. It's supposed to be ZLRC SG906. It's a very popular drone. It's called the Beast, and I got it from this shop. But apparently they have been scamming people because when before I received the product, I watched those reviews that those who have received the product, they posted out a photo of not that drone. It was some other thing other than the drone that we bought. So they were sending out fake drones. That means reject drones. So what happened is I got a drone that doesn't look anything like the 906 Beast, doesn't have a camera, and worse still, these are reject drones from the factory because probably some some parts, reject product. It doesn't even have a cover on the motor. As you can see, the gears are all exposed, and if you fly this whole prop will just fly off because there's nothing else holding it down, and the gears are all exposed. You won't want to fly this drone. And worse still is the remote that they sent. Yes, it's the same model remote for this model, maybe, but it does not pair. It can't pair because it's not even from the same batch. That means it's not tuned to this drone. So what happens, they took out all these parts, probably reject parts from the warehouse, and then some seller took it and then tried to sell it. And that's why you can see the store has many SKU. It's not like as though you buy from DJI, they only sell DJI. This kind of stores, they have many SKUs and always have high rating, 5 stars all the way, but nobody buys those products. Those are fake products. There's no pictures of it that says that this is the same thing that they bought and it's wonderful, it's working well, and it's correct, and you don't get 10 reviews of 5 stars. You get all 5 stars, but it's the same few names. If you go around their shop, you will see it's the same few names, similar names, similar endings, similar soundings, whatever. They register a few names and they go around upvoting themselves, maybe 80%, 90%, 5 stars. And those are fake ratings. The problem is when the customer posts up, they post picture is not the product. Some of them, out of 10, maybe 50% will return this, right? So depending on the other 50% that does not return, so that they can make a rip-off, they make a scam. What happens if you are staying nearby a dispatch area that you can return it to get refund? Yes, you can. But what about those people who are staying further away? They can't. So it's a hassle for them, and they say, oh, never mind, maybe the price is reasonable. They'll try to justify to themselves, it's a hassle to drive all the way there to drop this off, and I've got within 7 days, I have to return this, I'm working, I'm not free. Depending on people like that. So they make a scam. You have to make a report to Lazada or even the shopping platform that you use that you have been scammed. Because if you say that this was sent to you wrongly, they won't send a reject product, right? And you won't get so many people getting sent the wrong stuff, right? That's number one. Number two is, if you did not and you just send it back, Lazada will treat it as the company or the seller just gave you packed the wrong product and sent to you. It's a legit mistake. Lazada will declare that. I've spoken to their customer support and said, yeah, you're the only one who's making a complaint that this shop is doing a scam, right? Out of so many that were sent a wrong drone, I'm the only one who made a report that was a scam. So I do need everyone, please, if you are being scammed, do make a report. If you're a legit company like DJI or whatever, you buy, they send you something mistake or wrong, some parts, you can liaise with them, they will send you, they will take care of you. But these are sundry shops, they just sell everything. And if a sundry shop trying to sell you fake stuff, please report them because they have no reason to be on the platform. Reason why is they sell this, out of that they get reported, they set up another store that does the same thing under a different name and hoping to scam another 50%. So whoever buys from this, just say if you bought a 10-pack thing, maybe 10-pack lens or whatever, and you only got 5, and everyone else reporting that they got 5 or 2 out of 10, please report that shop because they are scamming you. They are not legit business, and you have to help Lazada or any other e-commerce platform to get rid of these people because the reason is it brings costs up. It costs Lazada, the transport for dispatch for Lazada is up and down. It costs something to someone, and at the end of the day, the pricing will go up for everyone, and it's bad because the brand gets bad image. The Lazada gets a bad image, and you don't have trust anymore on this kind of e-commerce platform. So if you do face this kind of shops, you see them online and you see that there are a lot of rating, 90%, 99%, 5 stars, but nobody actually bought anything, and it's just similar names, and people posting after that, posting that this shop is been giving you, different products or fake products or even not working products or not assembled products. Please report them as scammers because there's no reason to be online on that kind of platform. Okay, and because they're hoping that you don't report and they'll get away with it. So 100 people, 50% they close the shop, then open another one, 100 people, 50% they make. So it doesn't cost them much to get this junk from the warehouse or whatever, but it costs you your money to pay them. So please report them, make the platform better, make the shopping experience better so that we can have real sellers, and real sellers get the business, not the fake sellers. Okay? Please don't get scammed, and I've got a lot more unboxing to do. As you can see, I'm still doing my studio back here, and I do hope you give me a thumbs up and do subscribe for my next video, and thanks for following me. Have a nice day.